Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bot is designed easily and clearly. And this is a Bonnet, and Bonnet is a very important lecture for a beginner, a student, and also a proficient a student is also. This is a very important lecture. And guys, this project is designed here a valve design project, and how to this body is assembled here, and last is a at first all part is one by one is drawing here easily and clearly, and last is a this body is assembled here. And this is a front view and this is a top view, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is this. Okay, all part is one by one is designed here, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is a all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this bonnet is a isometric view. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is you can see here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a bonnet part is this bonnet body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is available here this. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and this is a perfect body is design, and all dimension is correct. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some important point is discuss here. At first select a part, and going to this plain white, and some setting is very important, and this is going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect okay, and this is a mmgs millimeter gram second, and this unit is setting here. Okay, all is perfect and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is clearly you can see here. And at first drawing this is a length is full length is a 36 millimeter, and this length is a 20 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a upper length is a, and this is a line is a reference line, and this is a axis of revolution, and this body is a revolve boss base is apply here, and this is a half body is geometry is dimensioning, and this is a revolve boss is full body is created here. Then all geometry is a half part is a drawing here. Then this axis is a axis of revolution is drawing here, and this length is a 20.5 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter, and this is 13 millimeter, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, one by one is drawing here. Okay, at first select a plane is a this is a use a front view, then plane is a better is a front plane. Okay, select a front plane. Okay, and at first center line is a drawing here. This line is a reference line, and this line is very important, and also this line is use a axis of revolution, and this length is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and select a line. A simple geometry is a drawing here. A simple geometry is a drawing here at first, and then all dimension is dimensioning one by one, and then this is a okay drawing a this line is a drawing here. This simple geometry is drawing here. This and line is a drawing here. Okay, this and this line is a this okay, this is a perfect and this is a select here and this line is a drawing this and select this line. Okay, and going to up and connect to this. Okay, simple geometry is drawing here and dimensioning one by one, all dimension is dimensioning here and select a at first this is a okay, at first this point and this point is a vertical. Okay, and this point. Okay, and at first select this point to this point is the line is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this is the same, but this is a okay, and select this line to this is a 10 millimeter and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, 8 millimeter. Okay, and okay, one by one is this is a 10 millimeter and this is a 8 millimeter is half and this is a 13 millimeter is this is a 13.5 millimeter and select this is a 13.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a 13.5 millimeter is this point to this is a and upper is a this point is a this 20.5 millimeter and select this is a 20.5 millimeter this. Okay, and also this length is 15 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 13. Okay, this length is a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Okay, this. Okay, and also this use a 6.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and this is a 20.5 millimeter and this is 15 millimeter and this is a 13 millimeter. This use of 15 millimeter is this 13 millimeter. Okay, okay, and 6.5 millimeter this. And next is this is a 20 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20 millimeter is this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 10 millimeter is this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is same but one is delete here, no problem. Okay, all is perfect. This is a 10 and select here this and upper side is this use a 15 millimeter is this 15 millimeter and this use a this point and this line is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter and this use a drag here this okay, and also okay, and use this line is 10 millimeter, and also this is a 9 millimeter, this okay, and this angle is a 120 millimeter, okay, and also this is a okay, this is a this distance is a 5.5 millimeter, okay, and this use this length, okay, this is 13.5 millimeter is perfect, okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter is perfect, okay, okay, all is a perfect and correct, okay, and all dimension is a this okay, all dimension is a looking perfect, okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. This is 13.5 millimeter and 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter and 5.5 millimeter is this 10 millimeter 20 millimeter, and all is perfect, and this fillet is used here a 2 millimeter, okay, this fillet is used here a 2 millimeter, and select this and click OK, okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 4 millimeter, okay, all is perfect looking here, and all dimension is perfect and correct, okay guys, all geometry is looking perfect and correct, then use a revolve boss base and use a feature and going to revolve boss base, okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, okay, this body is designed and easily and clearly, and again one point is this is use of chamfer is apply here on 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and also going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, select this, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and going to appearance and select a metal, and metal is a copper, and copper is this, and going to this, okay, this is a bonnet is designed easily and clearly, and appearance is also apply here easily, and this body is a looking perfect, and this is a correct, okay, and isometric view is this, and all is a looking perfect, and all dimension and all geometry is a perfect, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys, thank you.